Hello, thank you for your hospitality. I'm very pleased to be here, and I know some Somali people who live in Lamont Street at Croydon Park have shown me hospitality, and I'm glad to enjoy it once more. Thank you.
Thanks, Michael. Well, it is my pleasure to invite Hon Jingley, MLC Shadow Parliamentary Secretary for Multicultural Affairs, to address the crowd. And tonight, Jing, she has the pleasure to honor, on behalf of the State Liberal Member of Parliament, the opposition leader, Raymond Nissim.
Thank you very much. I think I'll stay here. Good evening all. Assalamualaikum. It's a great honor to represent Isabel Redmond, the opposition leader, to be here because on this very important occasion being the celebration of your Independence Day. Isabel sends her great wishes and apologies for not being here, but I remember celebrating your Independence Day in 2010. It's great to see many elders that I've met last time, and I also like to acknowledge some special guests. The Honourable Jennifer Rankin, the Minister for Multiculturalism, and we have the Multicultural Affairs, my apologies, and Michael Atkinson, the Honourable Michael Atkinson, former Shadow Minister, and we have Steve Georgianis as and also the Deputy Mayor of Port Adelaide, as well as Charleston. I think tonight is a great testament that multiculturalism is respected across government at all levels.